Are you still depending hours on tasks that a smart system could finish in minutes? I am scared. I built those systems without over 15 years of experience in Python, AI, machine learning, and database automation. I have heard more than 20 businesses cut their manual workload by 40 hours or more every single month. Here's what I specialize in. I build AI and machine learning models, automate data pipelines with Python, create GPT-powered chatbot, deploy fast API based REST APIs, and design a smart Excel, VBA, Google Sheet, and AppSheet solutions that eliminate hours of manual work. Clients choose me because I deliver on time every time. My code is clean and documented. I respond within 24 hours and I stay with you even after the project is done because your success matters more than just working a contract. I want best with startups, small business, and operational teams. People who are ready to stop doing things manually and I start using intelligent systems to go faster. If that should like you, send me a message right now. Tell me your project and I will reply within 24 hours to the PR plan. No flap, no hard sell, just real solutions. Let's build something great together.